Hi guys! Welcome back again to my channel. It's me, Jonel Sunga, of course. So for today's vlog, another informative vlog na naman ang aking i-share sa inyo. And this time, it's all about SSS condonation. So, SSS condonation kasi guys, ito yung way ng SSS para mabayaran natin yung niloan natin na hindi natin nababayaran for the past years, or kumbaga matagal na natin hindi nababayaran at nagkaroon na siya ng penalty. So, ang program ng SSS, which is, ang gagawin niya is hindi na natin babayaran yung penalty. Kumbaga, ang babayaran na lang natin is yung pinaka-utang natin. Nag-loan ako ng SSS, which is yung salary loan, sa company ko before. And then, hindi ko na siya nabayaran. At the same time, hindi na rin nahuhulugan yung SSS ko. Nagkapatong-patong na siya. Nagkaroon na siya ng penalties. Pero before that, guys, make sure na meron kayong my.sss portal or yung account sa SSS. So, kung wala pa kayong SSS portal account, mag-create na kayo, guys, kasi napakahalaga nito kasi pwede nyong malaman yung mga loans nyo, yung lahat ng mga process is online na. So, kailangan, importante talaga, meron kayong SSS portal. So, ayan nga, guys. So, mag-login muna tayo dito sa ating SSS. Punta tayo sa sss.gov.ph. So, ayan. Click nyo lang tong login to my SSS portal. Pwede ito sa mobile phone kung nahihirapan kayo sa gumamit ng computer. Pero para sa akin kasi mas maalaman to eh. Magla-login lang ako sa aking account. Ayan. So, click sign in. And may magsesend daw na PIN sa inyong registered number. Make sure guys na yung registered number nyo sa SSS is active pa. If hindi na updated yung number nyo sa SSS account, pwede kayong pumunta sa inyong pinakamalapit na branch at ipa-update nyo ang inyong contact number para hindi na kayo mahirapan makareceive ng mga OTP. So, click na natin itong one-time PIN through SMS. And guys, ito yung aking account. So, para malaman ko kung magkano yung aking loan at yung aking penalty at yung aking dapat bayaran, punta lang tayo dito sa loans. Ayan, makikita nyo sa pinaka-upper. Andito lahat ng mga pwede nyong gawin dito pwede nyo malaman dito sa SSS portal dashboard. May dashboard, member information, services, loans, benefits, payment reference number, at sign out. So, punta tayo dito sa ating loan, guys. Ang niloan ko kasi is yung salary loan. So, click lang natin itong salary loan. Meron akong since May 2, 2016 pa pala. Hindi ko na siya nababayaran. Ang tagal na. So, 9 years na. 9 years ko nang hindi nababayaran. Magkano na kaya penalty nito? So, click lang natin tong loan and then papakita. Ayan. Papakita nila sa inyo yung babayaran mo. Ito sabi dito, meron siyang employer ID, tapos employer name, yung company ko before, tapos loan amount is 10,000 pesos. And then, loan amount, and then net amount is 9,900 kasi nga, may bawas siya ng 100. And then, loan month is 1 month, and monthly amortization is 461.45. So, first monthly amortization, July 1, 2016. Past due, nakalagay, principal is 5,311.79, interest 4,048, penalty is 6,065. Ito na nga yun. So, a total due, kasama na yung aking amount due at yung penalty at yung principal, ang pinakababayaran ko is 15,425.32. So, ngayon guys, sa condonation guys, hindi na natin babayaran tong penalty which is 65.53. So, ayan. So, punta tayo dito sa loans again. And then, sa loan, makikita nyo is loan penalty condonation. Yan. Lahat ng website or lahat ng account ng my.sss portal is merong loan penalty condonation. So, click lamang tong loan penalty condonation, guys. Ayan. Sabi dito, consolidated loan is 9,359.79. At yung condonable penalty is 6,065.53. So ngayon, mag-a-apply tayo sa condonation para hindi na natin mabayaran yung penalty which is yung 6,065. Punta tayo dito sa ating preferred term, guys. Ito yung lahat ng mga loans ko, details ng aking loan. Punta tayo dito sa preferred conso loan payment term. So, click natin itong select. Please select. Kapag one-time payment, ibig sabihin, babayaran mo na yung buong principal, yung buong interest. Tapos sa installment naman, bahala kayong bumili kung ilang month. So since mababa lang yung aking babayaran, yung aking loan, so preferred ko na tong one-time payment. Consol loan payment term details. Consolidated loan, one-time payment. Loan amount is 9,359.79. Term in days is 30 days. So, kailangan mo bayaran nyo within 30 days. Kung mag-apply kayo ngayon, halimbawa ngayon, February 14. So, ang due date is February 17, 2025. Within 30 days, kailangan mo bayaran nyo na dahil pinili nyo yung one-time payment. Tapos yung condonable penalty is 6,000, which is ito, hindi na natin babayaran to. So, sabi dito, important reminders. Through the Consol Loan Program, borrowers have the chance to pay off their existing loans with an affordable payment term that is penalty-free. Yan, penalty-free once fully paid within the approved term. Remember, this program has no loan proceeds. Kumbaga, makukuha nyo lang yung penalty-free once na nabayaran nyo na ng buo. Right after na makapagbayad kayo ng buo. If one-time payment to, after 30 days, one-time payment ba yan o yung installment basis? Sabi dito, failure to pay the full amount on time will result in default. The entire sum must be paid without any notice. If Consol loan is not paid, balance shall be deducted from members' future benefits. So, ayan. If hindi nyo daw nabayaran yung loan nyo, once na nag-loan kayo in the future sa SSS, doon nila babawasan yun. Yun yung one-time payment. Pero, bago natin i-click tong I agree to the Consol Loan Program Terms and Conditions at bago tayo mag-proceed, try muna natin tong installment basis para sa mga gustong magbayad ng installment, lalo na pag malaki yung loan nyo sa SSS na kailangan nyo bayaran. So, click natin tong installment. So, ayan. Installment basis, so first amortization month nyo is April 1, 2025 at yung first amortization due date is May 31, 2025. Preferred down payment pala guys, halimbawa 10% of the loan or 20, 30, 40, try natin itong 10%. 6 months lang yung option ko kasi nga mababa lang siya. Pero kung mas mataas yung loan nyo, talagang mas mataas yung taon na pwede nyo sang bayaran. 10% yung down ko kunwari, tapos 6 months, within 6 months is, remaining loan is 8,423.81, tapos monthly due is 1,445.2. And then terms in months is 6 months, and then interest rate is 10 din. So, first month amortization, April 1, first amortization due date, May 31, at last amortization is 10/31. So, after 6 months. Tapos, condonable penalty is 5,498. So, yun guys. So, if kaya nyo naman magbayad ng buo, try nyo na yung one-time payment para hindi na kayo mahirapan in the future na magbayad. Balik tayo dito sa one-time payment guys. So, ayan. So, if okay na kayo guys sa one-time payment, click natin itong I agree. Ayan guys, basahin nyo na lang yung terms and condition nila para magka-idea kayo kung ano nga ba itong loan condonation. So, ayan guys. Once na nabasa nyo na yung terms and conditions, ito, click nyo tong confirm na matatagpuan sa upper right. So, hindi siya halata guys, para text lang siya. So, kailangan nyo siyang i-point and click dun sa mouse. Ayan o, nag-red na siya. Para ma-confirm nyo at nag-agree kayo sa terms and condition. Na make sure na binasa nyo ha. Ayan. So, confirm na natin and then, click na natin tong proceed. Ito na, may summary na tayo. Preferred term is one-time payment. Down payment, wala. Kasi nga, babayaran natin siya ng buo. Tapos, loan amount is 9,359.79. Terms in days is 30 days. And due date is 3/17. So, before 3/17, kailangan magbayad na ako. And condonable penalty is 6,065.653. So, yun yung hindi na natin babayaran, guys. So, click na natin tong submit. Are you sure you want to submit this short-term member loan penalty condonation application? Click natin tong submit guys. Sabi dito, you have successfully submitted your SSS Consol loan. So yun guys, ganun lang siya kadali. No? Siguro magpa-follow up na lang ako sa ibang vlog kung ano yung result nitong ating application sa ating SSS condonation. Pero at least napakita ko lang yung process. No? Since first time ko lang gumawa nitong SSS condonation. So yun guys, sana nakatulong itong vlog ko. And if nagustuhan nyo itong video ko, don't forget to LSS, like, share, and subscribe. So thank you very much guys for watching and hope to see you again sa aking next video. Ito pa rin si Jonel.